I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by scanning the console surface. Turn it so you can read labels. Inspect the rear panel first. Manufacturers place an S/N sticker near power and AV ports. If you have a detachable hard drive or faceplate, remove it carefully. Some units hide the tag beneath. Once found, copy every character exactly, including dashes and letters, because registration and warranty checks are literal. Make sure to use good light and steady the console while you read tiny print. Now use the dashboard if the sticker is worn or missing. Power the console and sign into any profile. Navigate, System Settings, Console Settings, then System Info. The screen displays the serial number, product ID, and software version. This method is handy because it reads the stored ID directly from hardware, so it won't be smudged or faded like a sticker. Once displayed, take a clear photo or write it down exactly. That prevents transcription errors when you need support or transfer. Finish by cross-checking sources. Compare the sticker and the menu value to confirm consistency. If the console fails to boot and you can't access menus, open the hard drive bay. The serial sometimes sits under or near it, and photograph it. If numbers differ or the label is unreadable, contact support and send photos. They can trace repairs or replacements. Finally, store the serial in a secure note for future warranty or resale. This prevents repeat hunting when time matters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.